So you want to go to your WIX dashboard right here. And then after that, you want to go to your left side of your screen and then find settings and click on it. And then you want to scroll down until you find site, domain, and SEO. And then choose on website settings. And then you want to scroll down again until general social image. And then you can also click on upload image to upload your image. And then right here, you can choose any of the image to be your icon. And then for the size or dimension of the image to fit the best for me is on 1600 times 900 pixel image, and then keep important design or any text within 100 pixel from any edge, so it don't get cropped out. And after you choose one of it, you can just click on add icon and then click on save right here. But keep in mind, if you don't publish in Wix editor, your change will not go live. So you want to go to your Wix website editor right here and then choose on publish site at the upper right corner of your screen. And that's how you choose which thumbnail image to display when sharing your site on Facebook, X, or other social networks. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.